Well, a lot of companies are vying to produce the first electric pickup. We know that there are some that are coming, the Ford Lightning, for example, but there's physically the first one rolling off the production line, that's now cleared for sale. Am I getting this right, Brian Sozzi? And it's not one of the established name brand automakers.
This is correct. At long last, Julie, finally, a Rivian, an electric pickup truck that reportedly goes 300 miles on a single charge, is now rolling off the lines. And a tweet by Rivian founder RJ Scaringe caught my attention, tweeting this out yesterday. You can see those pictures on there. Of course, it is an Amazon Blue, Julie. Amazon, a big-time investor in Rivian. I guess I'm not surprised by that. But again, they look to be getting ready to start delivering these trucks. They have two models, excuse me. We'll start delivering these trucks to customers this year. Finally, as the company nears a potential IPO, they've confidentially filed paperwork. So there's a potential for them to IPO at some point this year. Unclear if they will, but again, they have filed those papers. Valuations, Julie, I've seen estimates from $70 billion all the way up to $80 billion for Rivian as a public company. It will be a fascinating IPO if it does actually happen. But Julie, this company has come out and raised a ton of cash from really big name investors here, and they're pretty great at it. You have Amazon investing in Rivian. You've had Ford investing in Rivian. T. Rowe Price has led at least 2 rounds of investing in Rivian. So they have a knack clearly for raising capital and selling their story. And it does look to be a story, Julie, that is a lot different than Nikola. A lot different than Lordstown Motors. It looks like they're actually a real operation getting ready to launch real actual trucks that human beings will be able to buy and drive on the road. And of course, they're also at the same time looking to do electric vans. Amazon in 2019 placed an order for 100,000 Rivian electric vans. So they also have that in play as well. So lastly, look, my take is this. It will be interesting to see how the market embraces any potential IPO from Rivian. With this type of big valuation for a startup electric vehicle maker, given how the market has been this year, Wall Street's going to have some big expectations, Rivian. That is for sure. Also, too, is Rivian an F-150 killer? When Ford made that investment in Rivian, it was really fascinating to me because Ford is the leader in trucks in this country. And now they are starting to sell or take pre-orders for their first electric F-150. So it is interesting that Ford has invested in a Rivian. At the same time, they're making their own electric vehicle push. And perhaps maybe they do see some lost sales because of Rivian. And last but not least, Julie, where's the Tesla Cybertruck? Where is it? It's time. It's not there. Really, essentially, I think, paving a great pathway for Rivian to get out there in front of Elon Musk.
I have one question. What the heck is Amazon Blue, Saz? I've never heard that phrase before. I didn't know Amazon. It's a pretty color.
That's what I'm calling it. That is my hashtag hot take on this color here. And I don't know if it is called Amazon Blue. I'm not going out and buying a Rivian truck, Julie. But to me, that is the first thing I thought. That looks like the blue when I subscribe or re-up my subscription every year for Amazon Prime.
Huh. I guess I just never paid attention to the color when I was
on Tiffany Amazon. Blue. We have Amazon Blue.
Oh, all right. Brian Sozzi coined phrase here this morning. You heard it here first. All right, we are going to take